बिल्कुल, बताता हूँ मैं। थोड़ा-सी चल इतनी जल्दी कर रहे थे, ऊपर से मैं चले गए वॉश
Konbanwa, minasan. Okay. So do we have any doubts from chapter number 1 to 9? Anybody has any doubts? Okay. Okay. Have you guys practiced a little bit of kanjis, which we have done? Okay. Fair enough.
Sensei, I had a question. I actually did not follow. I did not follow the concept of kanjis. Like, what does it? I
Yes,
understand like
Tanika-san.
how to write.
I'm sorry, your voice is breaking.
Sensei, am I audible?
Yes, yes. Go ahead.
Thank you. Arigato. Sensei, I did not understand the logic of kanji. For instance, like I understand how it's written, the stroke order. I also
Uh,
understand that it can mean one, two, or three things like hito and jin. But what I don't
uh.
understand is the usage. Like in which context can I use it as hito? In which context is it jin? Uh, where do you
So
apply
it
it? I
is
mean,
pretty easy. It is pretty easy. Context is pretty easy. Uh, so whenever in whenever you want to form in like you want to write in a sentence, may probably say relating to a day, a particular day, or a particular person, nationality, nationality. At that point of time, your kanjis will come. So say for example, if I want to say that Vatashiva Indojin this. Now I am typing this in the chat box, okay?
Mhm.
So say Vatashi, so say Vatashiva Indojin
Since are you
this.
showing the chat? Can't see the chat window.
No, I am typing it in the chat.
Oh,
So
okay.
Vatashiva Indojin this. So that Jin which I have written, that I have written it in kanji. Also, if you want to write Watashi, so use Watashi ka kanji here. So Watashiwa Indojin. This.
So
Okay.
it's a
So this is
short
how your sentence
form.
actually looks like.
Ah,
Watashiwa Indojin this. Got it? I am Indian. So this is the usage of kanjis. Okay.
it makes it shorter. Hmm.
You can say that, but kanji, see, in a very broader perspective, if you look from Japanese perspective, all your menus, okay, restaurant menus, all your street name, all your uh, traveling key names, as in if you're traveling, say, by train, all the station names will be written in kanjis and not hiragana katakana. Hiragana is used, but not everywhere. You will see hiragana here and there. You will see instructions in hiragana and not in kanjis. Of course, sometimes they also use kanjis. Then you will see um, what do we say? All the road names. Road names are written in kanjis. Okay, all the names are written in kanji. All the Japanese names are written in kanji.
Ah,
Okay, so that is how kanji ka usage is done. Okay,
got it. Hi,
yeah.
arigato sensei.
Okay.
And the
Hi. Yeah.
second doubt I wanted to ask was this message that I've written in the chat, Konbanwa
Mm-hmm.
sensei to kuraso no minasan. Now, in this
So
sentence, will konbanwa come in at the end or will it come at the
no,
beginning?
konbanwa, good evening everyone. So you can simply say konbanwa minasan. उसमें मैं भी आ गई. In minasan
Okay.
even I am included.
Okay.
Sensei to kurasu no minasan is not needed. And it is
Okay.
kurasu, not kurasu, first of all. Kurasu means class. So if you want to say
Kurasu.
sensei to minasan, that is wrong. I am
Okay.
included in everybody.
In
So
minasan. Okay.
konbanwa, comma, minasan. And it is minna-san. Minna. It is Minna.
Minasan. Hi. Arigato, Sensei.
Hi, it is Minna-san, not Mina-san. Minna-san. Yes, Tanu.
Nasa.
हाँ मुझे पूछना था जैसे हम सेंटेंस मेकिंग करते हैं
थोड़ा थोड़ा
आवाज
जोर
आ
से
रही है?
बोलो ना, जोर से
ओके
जोर से
सॉरी
please.
सॉरी
हाँ,
मैं बोल रही जैसे हम सेंटेंस मेकिंग करते हैं तो हम उसमें एंड में मतलब जैसे मान लो मुझे कोई भी सेंटेंस फ्रेम करना है जैसे आप क्या कर रहे हो तो आपके लिए तो पहले वो आएगा ना आना ही तो अनाता
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 उसके बाद नो आ जाएगा अनाता नो क्योंकि वहां से डायरेक्शन
नहीं,
फिर क्या
अनाता
के
नहीं, what are you doing आएगा ना, what are you doing आएगा ना,
हाँ
तो क्या आएगा सेंटेंस, क्या आएगा सेंटेंस, what are you doing?
अनाता वा नान
अनाता वा
नाम
हाँ?
सितेरो नाम सितेरो
Nani shiteru, yes, Nani shiteru, what are you doing? So
वही मुझे
Shimas
पूछना था
is, so
शीमा
Nani, what? Nani. So shiteiru, this is like your verb in te form plus imas. वो आएगा आगे, अभी आपने वो लेवल
तेरी
तक
क्यों
नहीं
आएगा
पहुंचे हो आप. हाँ?
अच्छा ओके
Anata
अच्छा
va.
ओके ओके मुझे लगा शायद मैं
और
पीछे चल रही हूँ
नहीं, अगर आपको और थोड़ा लॉन्गर वे में बोलना है तो यू कैन से नानी और शिते इमास्का, नानी और शिते इमास्का, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग?
क्या होता है व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ शितेई क्योंकि
शिते
ना
वही
अब
मैं बोल रही हूँ, आपने
कोई
अभी तक ये
मैं ऐसे
पढ़ा
पूछ
नहीं है
लेता हूँ
वर्ब इन ते फॉर्म, सो आपको नहीं
अच्छा ओके
समझेगा अभी, जब समझे जब होगा तब आई विल पॉइंट आउट दिस वर्ड फॉर यू. ये शिते एक वर्ब है जिसको हमने एक टेंस में चेंज किया है, ओके, ते फॉर्म में हमने उसको चेंज किया है, वो आएगा आपको, दैट इज इन चैप्टर नंबर 14, अभी नहीं है समझेगा आप.
ओके ओके ओके
या या या
और बाकी में तो आपने बताया था ना कि हम बाकी सब में मतलब सिंपल लिख सकते हैं एंड में आपने एक वर्ड बताया था कि कोई भी सेंटेंस और एंड में वो वर्ड लगा दो दिस दिस
तो वो
जैसे
नाउन
हम
के
कोई
साथ
भी
दैस आता है और वर्ब के साथ तो आपके पास मस है ही, सो ताबे मास, नोमी मास. वो डिपेंड करता है ना कि आप कौन सा सिचुएशन, लाइक व्हाट सिचुएशन यू आर इन, दैट डिपेंड्स लाइक दैट आल्सो, नो.
मतलब अगर वर्ब का यूज नहीं हो रहा तो हम एंड में दिस लगा के सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं
अगर अगर आपको वर्ब का काम नहीं है तो यू सिंपली ऐड दिस, वेयर, व्हाई,
ओके
बिकॉज यू आर यूजिंग अ नाउन, इफ एट ऑल यू आर यूजिंग अ नाउन, अगर आप नाउन यूज कर रहे हो तो, अदरवाइज नहीं.
ओके ओके थैंक यू
Yes. Okay, anyone has any doubts in chapter number 9 or in kanjis?
Sensei, I don't have a 9, but I actually I'm struggling to understand this wo. So this nani wo shite maska. So I
वो आएगा. I see.
I don't
Particle
understand
O
the
you have
concept of wo.
particle O you have learned as your particle O you have learned as your action verb. So she must
Correct.
is an action verb. वो समझेगा आपको, because shitte we
Acha,
have
okay.
not done. It is a
Okay.
little bit more confusing. I'm assuming
Yeah,
it is a
I
little
have
bit
not
more
understood.
confusing.
Confusing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
I'm
will
not
not
understanding.
understand right now unless we do the verb in te form. जब हम verb in te form करेंगे तब you will understand.
Noted. Hi,
Yeah.
Sensei.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So I'm hoping that there are no doubts in chapter number 9. Today we are going to start chapter number 10 and hopefully we are going to complete it. So, okay. Okay. Have we done the vocabulary of this chapter?
no sense.
No, right? Okay, fair enough. Okay. So chapter number 10, vocabulary. Now here you are going to learn actually the sentence patterns. Okay. When you want to say that Mira-san is in a meeting room, how are you going to frame that sentence? Or telephone is on the second floor. Or supermarket is in front of the station. How are you going to frame these sentences? Okay. So for that, we have a categorization of living beings and non-living beings. We all know what is living beings and non-living beings, animate and inanimate objects or things. Basically, animate is your living and non-living beings, everybody? Okay. So imas is exist for living beings and arimas is exist for non-living beings. Now, imas and arimas is like your base of your sentence patterns. Okay, ये आपका base है sentence pattern का. The more clearly you understand this concept, the more it will be easy for you to understand the sentence patterns. Okay. Iro, various. Otoko no hito, man. Onna no hito, woman. Otoko no ko, boy. Onna no ko, boy. This ko which you see here, it stands for child. This kanji is for kid. So otoko is male. So male boy and female girl. I mean girl child basically. Okay. Inu dog, neko cat, ki tree or wood. Mono things, firumu fill, denchi battery, hakko box. Suichi switch, reizoko refrigerator, tebaru table, beddo bed, tana shelf, doa door, mado window. Posuto, post box or mailbox. Biru building. Now, mind you, beer is also building, okay? So, depending on your sentence situation, it will change. Coven Park, Kisatan Coffee Shop, Honya Bookstore. Ya is a suffix for store. Noriba, a fixed place to catch taxis or train. Ken, prefecture. So, like different places have like different prefectures in Japan, okay? Now, if you want to delve or if you want to deep dive in this topic, you can always do Google or ChatGPT. Next page. Very important vocabulary, opposites, okay? Ue above, shita below, mae front, ushiro back. Migi right, hidari left, naka in, soto outside, tonari next door, Chikaku near vicinity, Aida between among. Okay. Ya or Nado and so on. So you say no, oh, I had this, I had that, and oh, a lot of things and so on. So that so on is ya or Nado. Ichiban, the most, number one. Danbe, the number of shelf. It is a counter for shelves. Dan is the counter for shelf. Okay. These counters you will understand more in the next chapter. Sumimasen, thank you. Chiri sosu, chili sauce. Oku the back. Supaisu kona, spice corner. Okay. Duzeni Lando, Disneyland. And this is like a fictitious supermarket. Okay. Yeah. So these are the vocabularies. Any doubts in the vocabularies anyone is having? Okay.
Sensei, thank you is domo, sumimas, as well as arigato.
Domo, yeah, sumimasen is not used for thank you so much. It is generally and 90% of the time it is used for excuse me and I'm sorry. Thank you के लिए नहीं आता. It is domo arigato gozaimasu only.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. Okay. Now we start with the grammar. Page number 82, chapter number 10, Renshu A. Now, when you see this ga imas and ga arimas, I want you to write here, circle this, put an out arrow and write for living beings. For living beings.
मैम इसमें गा तो गा कहाँ पे है? अच्छा ये सेकंड सेंटेंस में ना
ये रहा ga imas, ga arimas.
मैम प्लीज जूम कर दीजिए. arigato sensei.
Sensei, this is the translation book only, right? Not the main book.
This is the main textbook. Main textbook. है.
This page 104. 10th chapter. Can't find it.
Yeah, 10 chapter 104 of your PDF.
Got it.
Okay. Have you written ga arimas and ga imas? Yeah. Okay. So ga imas is used for living beings and ga arimas is used for non-living beings. Now, asoko ni Yamada-san ga imas. So, what is asoko there?
Ma'am,
So there
sorry.
is
मैम आपने क्या बताया एक बार और बता दो कि गा ईमास बताया ना आपने
हाँ और ga arimas.
तो गा ईमास फॉर लिविंग बीइंग्स
हाँ, ga imas is used in a sentence for living beings,
और अरिमास
non-living beings.
थैंक यू अरिगातो
Asoko ni Yamada-san ga imasu. Asoko ni, so there is Yamada-san. So ga imasu. Why? Because we are talking about Yamada-san. We are pinpointing his location there. Asoko ni onna no hito ga imasu. So there is a lady. Asoko ni kodomo ga imasu. There are children. The question here you can ask is dare. Asoko ni dare ga imasu ka. Who is there? वहां पर कौन है? Okay, are we clear everyone? Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Asoko ni denwa ga arimasu. Non-living being. Asoko ni denwa ga arimasu. So there is telephone. Asoko ni biru ga arimasu. There is building. Asoko ni kouen ga arimasu. There is park. Nani, what is there? Whatever you are answering. Simple sentences we are making for ga imasu and ga arimasu. Okay. Now we are looking at the placement where exactly a non-living being and a living being is located. Okay. Supa no mae ni kissatan ga arimasu. In front of the supermarket, there is a coffee shop. Coffee shop is a living being or non-living being?
Inanimate,
Non-living
non-living.
being. Yeah. So ga arimasu. Okay. But for now, living being, we are not going to use particle ga. We are going to use particle standalone ni. Here we have used imas, correct? Ga imas for living being.
Correct.
But when you are talking about a
Hello?
that particle ni which I told you, this particle ni becomes your existence.
मैम
This particle,
मैम आपकी वॉइस
this
चली
particle.
गई थी सारी आपकी वॉइस
मैम,
चली गई थी सारी
Ma'am, please
मैं यही बोल-
repeat.
I am repeating. Everybody just listen. I know when I am breaking, I am stopping. I'm not talking anything. I am stopping. Vegusai? Yeah. Ni imasu. Yes. So, while you are forming a sentence for non-living beings, there will be ni in your sentence with ga arimasu. But if you are making a sentence with in regards to your person or the living being, there will be no ga imasu here. There will be only ni imasu. I'm reading the sentence so that you will get a clear idea. Mira-san wa kaigi shitsu ni imasu. Mira-san is in the meeting room. Is in the meeting room. So there is no need to add ga here. You cannot add ni ga imas. That is wrong. You do use two particles together, but that is in N4 and N3. Not right now. Right now, you only have to understand that while you are talking, while you are pinpointing the exact location of a person, you don't have to put particle ga. Am I clear, everybody?
So sensei, for living beings, it's ni.
Yeah, for living beings, it will be ni imas. But only when you are pinpointing the exact location. So we have the location here as Kaigi Shitsu, that is in the meeting room. So Mira-san is in the meeting room. So for that,
And
you
what
don't have
is-
to use ga imas.
Got it. But if it is what is a non-specific location then?
Yeah, if it is a non-specific location, then you say ga imas.
So non-specific location example, what would that be? That over there, like that?
Ah, asoko ni Yamada-san ga imasu. There is Yamada-san.
Okay. Hi.
Are we pinpointing the exact location? No, we are simply saying wahan par hai. But here we are pinpointing the location, no, and we are telling that okay, Mira-san is in the meeting room. So particle ga will not come. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Mira-san wa erebeta no mae ni imasu. So Mira-san is in front of the elevator. Mira-san wa ichikai ni imasu. Mira-san is on the first floor. This ichikai is your first floor. Kai is your counter for floor. Okay? Are we clear, everybody?
Hi, sensei.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The question here you can ask is Doko, where is Mira-san? Mira-san kahan par hai? So you tell the exact location. Where is Mira-san? You give them the exact location. Okay? As you can see here, the question are different. Who and where? Okay? Understand, this is where and this is who. Dare is who. So asoko ni dare ga imasu ka? So who is that? Who is there? And this will be where is Mira-san? Am I clear, everyone?
And Nani is fourth, right? Nani.
What? Yes. Okay. Now, similarly, when you are pinpointing an exact location of a particular object, similarly, there will be no particle ga. Clear? This was for living beings. This is for non-living beings. You can just circle this particle ni, put an out arrow and write at, in or at, so that it will be easier to understand. So Mira-san is in the meeting room. So circle this particle ni, put an out arrow and write in/at. Okay. Okay. Now the fifth. Yes, Tanu.
जैसे थर्ड और फोर्थ में नी का यूज है, फिफ्थ में तो नी का यूज है ही नहीं.
क्या क्या?
थर्ड और फोर्थ में आपने यूज बताया ना नी,
हाँ.
तो बट फिफ्थ में तो नी का यूज है ही नहीं.
फिफ्थ में ही तो नी का यूज है ना, ये रहा नी. Okay. Honya wa eki no chikaku ni arimasu. Yes, Mukul-san.
Ma'am, Dare is for who and Doko is for where, right?
Yeah, Doku is where.
And Dare is
And
who?
Dare is who. Who.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Honya wa eki no chikaku ni arimasu. So bookstore is near the station. Chikaku is near. Eki is station. So Honya wa bookstore is near the station. Okay. So again, when you are pinpointing an exact location, there will be no particle ga.
Okay.
Honya
Sensei,
wa ginko no tonari ni arimasu. Bookstore is near the bank. Ginko bank tonari near. Honya wa hanaya to supa no aida ni arimasu. So bookstore is in between. Aida is in between. Aida is between. Between bookstore, flower store and supermarket. Ni arimasu. Doko where? So where is the bookstore? Whatever is your answer. Are we clear, everyone?
Ma'am, what's
मैम
Donara?
आपने क्या
Donari?
Tonari is near.
Near.
Huh.
And Supponi, sorry. Hanaya, Hanaya to Supponu, Arito is between, right? Arita is between.
Aida.
Aida is between. Okay.
In between.
Got it, ma'am.
Yeah. Clear, everybody?
Sensei,
What?
Sensei, can you please just look at the third one once again because it has ga and ni both.
Yeah, so Supano Mae ni Kisaten ga arimas. So वो है उधर. What can you figure out from question 3 and question 5?
That the ni particle is used before.
Yeah, but then
Then the
why
ga
they have
particle.
used why they have used ga arimas there and not ni directly ni arimas क्यों use नहीं किया है?
Ga arimas is for non-living beings, right?
Think.
Arimas, okay.
Non-specific location. Supano.
for a direction we use ga.
Yes, Kanika. Yes. Yes, Kanika.
Sensei, I can lower my hand.
Okay. Does anyone has like some logical reasoning to it?
For location we use ga, and when we have no location we use ni.
Oh, madam, that is wrong. Completely wrong. No, that is wrong.
आपने तो भी बोला था थोड़ी देर
See,
पहले.
नहीं आपने wrong सुना है then. मैंने ऐसा कुछ बोला ही नहीं है.
आपने बोला कि that over there we use ga.
Have I said that, everyone? That over there is ga.
No, ga is what she said was ga we use ga arimas. Ga when it is non-living,
No,
but
she's
it's not
saying that. No, she's saying that particle ga के लिए I defined ga as that over there. Was it correct or wrong? Have I said
No,
that or
that
no?
over there means कि there, और जैसे हम यूज करते हैं ना सोरे दोरे उनके साथ.
No. कोई नाम डुबाए ना डुबाए तनु आप मेरा नाम सबसे पहले डुबाओगी. Okay, so the difference between question 3 and question 5 is that particle ga which is used here, it is telling you what is existing. Arimas ka literal meaning is to exist. Ga arimas ka literal meaning is to exist. So there is a supermarket in front of the coffee shop. So there is a supermarket existing in front of the coffee shop. Are you clear?
नो मैम मुझे समझ नहीं आया क्योंकि जो लॉजिक मैंने लगाया था
But
मुझे
I
लगा
do not
शायद
understand why the knee is there.
एंड ऑल्सो मुझे भी समझ नहीं आया, मुझे लगा शायद जो मैंने लॉजिक लगाया वो सही
I
है.
can't, since I can't read also on top of that, वो क्या लिखा है? It's too small for me to.
What have you not understood here?
How?
Hmm?
I have not understood this ni thing here. I understand that ga, that bit I get that logic. With
Okay.
that I have
Okay.
understood. But
So
I,
in this sentence, your focus is coffee shop. Your focus is coffee shop. So coffee shop के सामने supermarket है. But here bookstore, Ekino Chikaku. So station के बाजू में, near station के near, there is a bookstore. Have they given you the exact location?
Yes,
no.
ma'am.
Where have they
yeah,
given you the
near.
exact location?
In
No,
sentence
Near,
near
but
three
it
or
is
five.
can be correct. Near. Pinpoint कर रहे exact location, but have they told that whether it is on the left hand side or on the right hand side, or is it is
No.
in the front of this station? बस near बोला है ना?
Yes.
Near बोला है ना? Correct? They have only
Correct.
told that it is near. But here they are telling you that supermarket is in front of the coffee shop. Are you understanding the major difference between the two?
Yes, it's indicating
So
indicating a
basically,
location.
if I'm literally translating this sentence in English, so I will say there is a supermarket in front of the station. Here I will say there is a bookstore near the station. There is no major difference, but here we have an exact location. Here we have a little vague location. Pinpointed hai, but a little vague location.
मैम जब एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन बताएंगे तब गा आएगा और जब आसपास बताएंगे तब गा नहीं आएगा.
आसपास की बात नहीं है. Now see, if you see the third sentence, Hanaya to Supa no Aida, it is in between the supermarket and bookstore. Pinpoint हुआ है location here.
Yes ma'am.
The location has been pinpointed. It is between the supermarket and bookstore. बीच में है. It is, the location has been pinpointed here. No, you guys are not understanding the core thing. Okay, let me take it other way around. Okay. So while reading this sentence, Supa no mae ni kissaten ga arimasu. So what is the question which comes in your mind immediately after you read this sentence? Supa no mae ni kissaten ga arimasu. What is there in front of the coffee shop? What is there? The focus becomes your cafe or supermarket.
Supermarket.
No, your focus becomes coffee shop.
Cafe
आप
shop. What
किसी
is there in
को,
front of the supermarket?
हाँ, it is in front of the coffee shop. No, supermarket is in front of the coffee shop. So your focus point becomes your coffee shop and not the supermarket. Still, I think still there's a lot of confusion.
Yes,
Sensei,
Now
ma'am.
it's
I'm
not
not
clear.
confused in that sense. I understand the logic. वो उसके सामने the supermarket exists. That is little vague. That's why that's
See-
ga. That is ga
No, why
arimasu.
it is vague? It is not vague. The focus here is your supermarket. सुपरमार्केट सालों से है, उसके सामने सॉरी कॉफी शॉप सालों से है, उसके सामने सुपरमार्केट है. But in the fifth one we have the bookstore. Again bookstore सालों से है स्टेशन के सामने. The focus point here is your coffee shop and focus point here is Honya.
Got it, मैम. अगर कोई डेस्टिनेशन क्लियर होगा इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ कॉफी शॉप तो उसमें नी गा आरिमासन आएगा, आरिमास आएगा. एंड अगर डेस्टिनेशन क्लियर नहीं होगा सिर्फ नी आरिमास आएगा.
Correct.
Got it.
No, your destination is a little clearer. Clear है. It is not vague. Clear है.
But लाइक कि वो डेस्टिनेशन पे ही नहीं दे रहा, इन फ्रंट ऑफ कॉफी
Okay,
शॉप।
okay, एक मिनट सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछो, वेयर इज द बुक स्टोर, वेयर इज द बुक स्टोर हियर? इट इज इन, इट इज नियर द स्टेशन।
नियर द स्टेशन, राइट?
हाँ, नियर द स्टेशन। इज
करेक्ट।
इट इज इट दैट वेग? उतना वेग नहीं, थोड़ा वेग है, बट उतना वेग थोड़ी है।
करेक्ट, राइट, गॉट इट मैम।
आर वी क्लियर एवरीवन?
यस मैम।
Again, in simple terms, if you want to remember why particle ga we are using here, keep your focus point coffee shop. Because you're talking about coffee shop, because we are talking about coffee shop, particle ga will come here.
बट मैम ऐसे तो नीचे भी हमने बुक स्टोर की बात करी है ना,
हाँ, बुक स्टोर राइट।
तो फिर वहां पर गा क्यों नहीं? क्योंकि वहां पे भी तो हम
क्योंकि
पर्टिकुलर
क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग में पार्टिकल गा कभी नहीं आता है। Particle ga will always come at the end of your sentence. The first rule of particle ga is this.
नहीं, मैं बोल रही हूँ कि वहां पर क्यों नहीं आया।
तो मैंने वही तो बोला, द फर्स्ट रूल ऑफ पार्टिकल गा इज कि वो कभी बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस में नहीं आएगा। इट विल ऑलवेज कम एट द एंड ऑफ योर सेंटेंस, एंड दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इट इज हियर। एंड में आया है और यहाँ पे स्टार्टिंग में बुक स्टोर है।
अच्छा, मेरे को समझ आ गया, सुपर मार्केट, अगर वो जो बुक स्टोर है अगर वो बीच में होता तो वहां पर गा आता।
हो सकता है, अगर आप सेंटेंस उस हिसाब से फ्रेम कर रहे हो, देन होनिया गा अरिमास भी हो सकता है।
तो फिर ये गा और नी का क्या डिफरेंस है फिर?
Subject. I
वो
think
सेंटेंस पैटर्न है। ऑल्सो इट इज रिलेटेड
हाँ.
टू द सब्जेक्ट मैटर, करेक्ट। ऑल्सो इट इज रिलेटेड टू द
correct. Okay.
सब्जेक्ट।
Okay, got it.
आर वी
अभी
क्लियर
मुझे
नाउ?
मुझे गा में और नी में भी कंफ्यूजन हो रही है। नी का तो आपने कहा था इनोरेट, नी मायूज होगा जहाँ पे इनोरेट होगा, और
हाँ,
गा कहाँ पे यूज होगा फिर?
वो सेंटेंस पैटर्न है गा अरिमास का।
नहीं
क्योंकि
नहीं, सिर्फ
फोकस,
सिंपल गा,
क्योंकि
सिंपल गा।
फोकस पॉइंट आपका कॉफी शॉप है, इसके लिए पार्टिकल गा उधर आएगा ही आएगा।
पर ऐसे तो नीचे भी बुक स्टोर है ना, फोकस पॉइंट।
हाँ, तो वहां पे वहां आया है ना, किधर गा आया है? यहाँ पे
तो वही
वहां
तो,
है ना। यू डोंट हैव गा हियर, वी हैव वहां हियर।
बट यहाँ पर गा क्यों नहीं आ सकता?
तो मैंने बोला ना, पार्टिकल गा कम्स एट द एंड ऑफ योर सेंटेंस एंड नॉट इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ योर सेंटेंस। पार्टिकल वा आपका सब्जेक्ट मेकर है और पार्टिकल गा आपका टॉपिक मेकर है। ओके,
और अगर हमें गा लगाना होगा तो हम कहाँ पे लगाएंगे? सिर्फ सिंपल गा?
एंड ऑफ द
पता
सेंटेंस पे
नहीं,
आएगा।
नहीं पता कैसे चलेगा कि कहाँ पर आएगा?
तो वो सेंटेंस जो बना रहे हो उसके हिसाब से आएगा ना। जो भी सेंटेंस बना रहे हो तो पार्टिकल गा एंड में ही आता है।
वो मैं समझ गई, लेकिन मैं पूछ रही हूँ आएगा कैसे? कैसे पता चलेगा कहाँ पर गा लगाना है और कहाँ पर नहीं लगाना है?
आप जब हम एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करेंगे ना, तब आपको समझेगा वो कब नी और कब गा लगेगा। ओके ओके, चैप्टर पेज नंबर 83, क्वेश्चन 1। First two examples. Kyoshitsu ni gakusei ga arimasu. So in the classroom, gakusei students are there. Classroom में students है. Students are there in the classroom. Ga imas living beings. Asoko ni posuto ga arimasu. There is the post office or post box. Ga arimasu non-living being. Okay? Are we clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the first one, tell me. Simple sentence hai. What is this Yamada-san doing? He's eating. So where do you eat?
आसोको नी, अच्छा, वेयर डू ईट?
Wrong. अरे, आसोको नी अरिमास कैसे आ सकता है? उधर उधर यामादा-सान कैसे हो सकता है? आपके पास खाना हम किधर खाते हैं?
Teburu.
Shokudo ni
Teburu.
Shokudo ni Yamada-san ga imasu.
Very good. Or you say restaurant. Restaurant में Yamada-san है. We are not interested in telling him that he is eating. We are interested in saying that he is either in the dining room or in the restaurant. In the
Okay,
restaurant.
good.
Got it? Restaurant
Yes,
में
ma'am.
है वो. Next. Fax machine is in the office.
Asoko ni फैक्स मशीन को क्या बोलते हैं? फैकुसु. Fakusu. Asoko ni fakusu ga arimasu.
Fakusu ga arimasu. Very good. Fourth. Lobby में reception desk है. In a lobby, we have reception desk. There is a reception desk.
Uruke suke ni robi.
Ukesuke.
Robi ni ute suke ga arimasu.
Yes. Robi ni uketsuke ga arimasu. Very good. And we have trees in the park. Park में trees है.
Asoko ni
आसो को नहीं आएगा. पार्क में ट्रीज है.
तो कोएन ni
हाँ.
कोएन
कोएन
ni
की
ga arimasu.
There are trees in the park. Are we clear with the first exercise? Second.
Yes, ma'am.
Doa suichi. Doa no migi ni suichi ga arimasu. Now you are giving the exact location. Doa no migi ni suichi ga arimasu. So door ke migi is right. So on the right hand side of the door, switch is there. Cat is under the chair, below the chair. So your answer will be
Isu.
Very good. Isu no shita.
Isu no shita neko ga arimasu.
No, not
Neko
ga
ga
arimasu.
imasu, no?
Imasu.
Imasu. Living being a cat.
Yes.
Yes. Next.
But Sensei, isn't under the chair a very specific location? So
Yeah, it
why
is.
will it be? So why
No,
will
what
it be
is the
ga arimasu?
focus dekho.
Yes.
What is the subject matter here? Topic maker or the subject maker?
It's a chair? No.
Correct.
No, it's a cat.
Chair के नीचे cat है. Correct. Chair है. So it will be ga.
मैम अंडर के लिए क्या यूज करेंगे? चेयर के अंडर है ना, तो अंडर के लिए क्या वर्ड यूज होगा?
Isu no shita ni neko ga imasu.
नहीं, सिर्फ पर्टिकुलर अंडर के लिए. जैसे अगर मुझे कोई और सेंटेंस बनाना हो तो वहां पे सिर्फ अंडर वर्ड यूज करना हो, तो अंडर वर्ड के लिए क्या यूज होगा?
Shita.
Next.
Next. Mise kuruma.
Mise no kuruma ga arimasu.
Okay. Mise no kuruma कैसे आएगा? Bookstore के सामने, no, in front of the bookstore there is a car.
नजर नहीं आ रहा है बहुत.
Sorry, let me zoom in. Okay. So bookstore, there is a car in front of the bookstore. So
Okay.
Mise no mae ni kuruma ga arimasu. Bookstore के सामने, in front of the bookstore or in front of the store there is a car.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it.
Yes. Now there is a child on the tree. So ki no ue ni kodomo ga imasu. He is child, male child. Ki no ue ni above. Kodomo ga imasu. Otoko no ko ga imasu. Okay? Fourth, Reizoko iro na mono, meaning there are different things inside the refrigerator. So, Reizoko no naka ni iro mono ga arimasu. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Have everyone understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Third, now you have to look at the photo here and you have to answer the question. Form the question and then answer the question. Okay? So, Teburu no ue nani. So, Teburu no ue ni nani ga arimasu ka? So, what is there above the table? So, kaban ga arimasu. There is a bag. Okay? Now, bedo no shita nani. So, bed ke niche kya hai? There is a box actually in below the table. Since the print is bad, there is a box here. Okay? So, bedo no shita ni nani ga arimasu ka? So, your answer will be box को
Hako.
क्या बोलेंगे?
Hako.
Correct. Hako ga arimasu. Got it?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
everyone with me? Has everyone
Yes, ma'am.
understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Others, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Heya dare. So, what will be the question here? Who is there inside the room? Heya no naka ni dare ga imasu ka? Who is inside the room? So, we stick to the girl. So,
Nana.
Onna.
Onna
Onna
no.
noko.
Onna no
Onna no.
Onna noko.
correct. Onna no ko ga imasu. Very good. Onna no ko ga imasu. Third, Mado no hidari ni nani ga arimasu ka? Hidari means,
Left.
so विंडो के लेफ्ट में क्या है? लेफ्ट में nothing. So what will you say?
Nanimo.
Nothing will be what?
Nanimo.
Correct. So nani mo ari masen.
Okay.
And the last one. Niwa ni dare ga arimasu ka? Who is there in the garden? Again, nobody. So nobody का क्या आएगा?
नानीमो.
Nanimo was for nothing. Daremo will be for no one.
No one.
So no one. So daremo. So daremo arimasen. Are we clear?
अच्छा मैम, जब भी
Yes, ma'am.
नानी मो या दारे मो जैसे वर्ड आएंगे तो उसके साथ हमें अरिमासन लगाना होगा, है ना?
So these words will take negative sentence, no? Nanimo,
ma'am.
daremo, donatamo, daremo. ये
Okay.
सारे
Yes.
वर्ड्स के साथ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस आते हैं. So by default you are going to put negative sentences.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Have everyone understood this page?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
मैम मुझे एक चीज पूछनी थी.
हाँ.
आपने 9 चैप्टर में आपने गा का यूज दूसरा बताया था.
गा एक सब्जेक्ट टॉपिक मेकर है, सब्जेक्ट मार्कर है. It is used to enhance the characteristics of a particular person or an object. Okay? Okay. Fourth. Question fourth. Mira-san. Mira-san wa doko ni imasu ka? So where is Mira-san? Jimusho ni imasu. He's at work. So he's in the office. Sorry, Jimusho is office. So in the office. Office mein hai. So ni imasu. Office mein hai. In the office. Ni imasu. Clear everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Hasami scissors. Hasami wa doko ni arimasu ka? Where is the scissors?
Hako ni,
Hako no naka ni. Inside the
ha-
box.
okay,
Box
hako
के
ni
अंदर
naka.
है. Hako no naka ni arimasu. Inside the box.
Okay,
Okay?
got it.
Yeah. So now tell me, ये बच्चा किसके पीछे है?
डोर के
Door
पीछे
mein,
Door. Correct. So the question, what is the question what you are going to form here? Otoko no ko wa doko ni imasu ka? Where is the kid? Behind the door. So
Ushiro
ni imasu.
yes, very good. Dowa no ushiro ni imasu. Very good. Dowa no ushiro ni imasu. Behind the door. Very nice. Jitensha bicycle. Where is the bicycle? So Jitensha. What will you say? Okay. I'll repeat the question again. Jitensha bicycle. Jitensha wa doko ni arimasu ka? Where is the bicycle?
Kuruma no ue ni imasu.
Imasu kyun? Arimasu no?
Arimasu.
Kuruma no ue ni arimasu. Clear everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Inu.
मैम वो
So,
बी
in-
साइड द डोर के लिए आपने कैसे बताया था?
आपकी
बी
आवाज
साइड
कट रही है तन्नू. आपकी
बी
आवाज
साइड
कट रही है.
किसी चीज के पीछे के लिए बताना हो तो कैसे बताएंगे?
उशिरो बिहाइंड. दोवा नो उशिरो. डोर के पीछे. दोवा नो उशिरो नी इमास. Okay. Inu dog. Where is the dog? Inu wa doko ni imasu ka?
Otoko kono no to
Otoko no
no
पहले लड़का और फिर लड़की. So otoko no
otoko no to ona no ko aida ni arimasu. इमस भूल जाती हूँ. इमस.
तो उन्ना नो को. Yeah, I'll repeat the answer again. Otoko no ko to onna no ko no aida ni imasu. Between a girl and a boy. Clear everyone? Aida is in between.
okay.
Photograph. Sashin. Sashin wa doko ni arimasu ka? Where is the photograph? Under the book. तो क्या और below the book तो क्या आएगा?
Hon no sita hon no sita ni arimasu.
Very good. Hon no shita ni arimasu. Are we clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, are we clear with the fourth exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now fifth is very interesting. Honya, look at the photo. Honya wa doko ni arimasu ka? Where is the bookstore? So super no tonari ni arimasu. Supermarket के बाजू में है और behind the telephone booth. Both answers are correct. Okay. Here they
Okay.
have used tonari no. Here they have used supa no tonari ni arimas, or you can use denwa. Behind को क्या बोलेंगे?
Ushiro.
Ushiro.
Oshiro.
So denwa no ushiro ni arimasu. Yes, denwa no ushiro ni arimasu. Are we clear, everyone? Okay, so the
Yes,
first
ma'am.
one. Post box. Posuto. So form the question first. Posuto wa doko ni arimasu ka? Where is the post box? Where can you see the post box?
In front of supermarket.
In front of
Supermarket.
कौन सा किधर है सुपरमार्केट? पिन पॉइंट करो सुपरमार्केट. Tell me, is this a supermarket?
No, ma'am.
Is this a supermarket?
No, ma'am.
Is this a supermarket?
Post bank. उसके front में, ma'am.
ये वाला. So, ये तो ऑपोजिट हो गया ना, उसके सामने हो गया, ऑपोजिट हो गया. अगर यहाँ पे होता तो आता, बट ये तो उसके सामने हो गया ना.
Okay, got it, ma'am.
तो यहाँ से ही एक चीज आएगी. This one. This is your. If you don't know this, this is basically your post office. Post office के बाहर ही post box रहेगा, right?
Right, ma'am.
Yeah. So your answer will be, what is post office?
Posto.
Yobin kyoku.
Posto.
Yobin kyoku. Yobin
Okay.
kyoku no mae ni arimasu. Post office के बाहर है post box. Or else you can say बैंक के बाजू में गिनको नो तोनारी नी arimasu. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. इसमें
Ma'am,
left
please
side या
explain
right side
the
भी use
story.
होगा ना?
नहीं, आप इन फ्रंट भी बोल सकते हो. राइट बोलने की जरूरत नहीं, इन फ्रंट बोलो. राइट बनाओगे तो बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग हो जाएगा.
Got it, ma'am.
Ma'am, please repeat first वाला योबिन को.
योबिन क्योकू नो माए नी arimasu. Next.
Ma'am, my name is near.
In front of. In front of. Next, denwa. So where is telephone?
Horn के side में, ma'am.
In
हाँ,
front
के
of
आगे, in
book.
front of. Simple में रखो,
In
in
front
front
of.
of. So, honya no, sorry,
Honya
denwa
no
wa doko ni arimasu ka? So in front of the
Nihano.
bookstore. So, honya
Nihano
no
no
mae ni arimasu.
Mainichi arimasu.
Third, ginko. Where is ginko? गिनको क्या है?
Ma'am,
बैंक.
can you please repeat the sentence of telephone?
हाँ, so question क्या आएगा? denwa wa doko ni arimasu ka? denwa ni
Okay.
doko. denwa wa doko ni arimasu ka? First form the question. Your answer
Okay.
will be honya no mae ni arimasu.
Got it, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are we clear, everybody?
Ma'am, it means हाइनिया नहीं बताया था आपने, इस बारे में बताया था.
honya,
माइनी.
honya, mae ni, in front of.
और होनिया.
honya is bookstore.
माइनिया. तो मतलब मैंने सेंटेंस सही बनाया था. होनिया नो हाइनी अरिमास. माइनी सॉरी.
हाँ, बराबर है. honya no mae ni arimasu. बराबर है. गिनको. So where is गिनको? Come on.
Ma'am, Yubin Ryoko no Tonari.
नहीं
Ni.
नहीं. Kinko is in front of Departo and Yubin Kyoku. No, so Aida. So
Aida.
Departo no Posuto no Aida ni arimasu. In between departmental store and Yubin Kyoku.
Okay.
Okay.
Last one, Takushi Noriba, taxi stand. It is in front of the station. So, eki no mae ni aimasu. Or you can also say it is near the station. Chikaku ni arimasu. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Are we clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Everyone is clear? All 10 of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let us do one thing. Let us take a break for 10 minutes. Okay, let us, come back by 9:10, everyone. Take a break, 9:10.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's continue. Okay. Page number 85, Renshu C, we know what we are supposed to do. Replace the underlined words with the given below, but make sure that you are looking at the tenses and everything. And then you are changing. Solve this. If you have any doubts, let me know in the next class, okay? Okay, so let us start with the listening part.
第10課問題1番
1、
あなたは今どこにいますか
Write your answers. Next.
2、
あなたのうちに犬がいますか
Next.
मैम मुझे ना समझ नहीं, एक बार आप मुझे बता दोगे?
No, I will not translate them. मैंने last class में ही बोला था. I will not translate the
तो मैं
sentences. You keep on listening to it
सुन रही
again and
हूँ।
again and again. फिर ही आपको समझेगा. I will not translate.
और अभी कैसे
I will not
अगेन अगेन?
translate. हाँ?
あなたの部屋に時計がありますか
4、
日本語の辞書はどこにありますか
5、
うちの近くに何がありますか 2番
1、
すみません。トイレはどこですか
あそこに階段が、お手洗いはあの階段の後ろです。2、
What will be the answer for the first one?
Two.
Is it second option, ma'am?
Why second?
Third.
That over there.
Third is wrong. It is between 1 and 2. But why 2?
क्योंकि उसने over there के लिए वो word use किया.
तो over there तो यहाँ पे भी है और यहाँ पे भी है. Why not 1?
Because left side का भी
Ushiro
था ना
बोला
option में.
होते हैं right. They
Yeah.
said होते हैं right. Like it's
What?
toilet.
What?
In that audio they said होते हैं right. So it is a toilet, mentioning a toilet. So
Yeah, correct. So
over
they are
there,
talking about toilet. So this kanji is for toilet only. But
over there
why?
it is a toilet.
Why this? Okay, listen to it again.
2番
1、
すみません。トイレはどこですか
あそこに階段がありますね。
ええ、
お手洗いはあの階段の後ろです。
どうも。
मैं उशीरो बोला पीछे के लिए.
Correct. So ushiro, it is behind the staircase, not on the left or not on the right, behind the staircase.
Okay.
Ushiro. So 1 is the correct answer. Second nahi aa sakta.
Okay,
It is
ma'am.
not on the left. It is not on the right. It is behind the staircase. Kaidan no ushiro ni arimasu. So mark first. Second.
2、
すみません。辞書はどこですか？
あの電話の左ですよ。
ありませんよ。
そうですか。あそこ、
え？
棚の上です。
ああ、どうも。
Ma'am, third option है क्या इसका?
Second. Ma'am,
Correct.
second.
Correct. No,
Second,
third is the
second.
correct one. No, third is the correct.
Okay.
Third is the
Hidari
correct one.
left वो था ना वो.
Ma'am,
Yes. No, but the way you thought, that is correct. Third is the correct one.
Okay, got it, ma'am.
Yeah.
3、
佐藤さんですか？ミラーです。
ミラさん、今どこにいますか？
駅の前です。
そうですか。じゃあ、今行きます。
はい。
first.
Correct. First is the correct one. Ekinomai in front of the station. Very good.
3番。
1、
こんにちは。テレーザちゃんはいますか？
いいえ、テレーザは公園へ行きましたよ。
そうですか。
テレーザちゃんは公園にいます。
Huh? That is your right word? True.
True.
Correct. True. Correct. True. Yes. Yes. Second.
2、グプタさん、お国はどちらですか？
インドです。
そうですか。家族と一緒に日本へ来ましたか？
いいえ、一人で来ました。家族は国にいます。
そうですか。グプタさんは家族と日本へ来ました。
3番。
True or false?
False.
Correct. False. Correct. False. Good. Okay. So now what you're supposed to do here in question 4th, you have to write arimas or imas. Question 5th, you have to mark the appropriate particle. Question 6th, you have to figure out the words given in the box and mark them. Question 7th is your dokai. Okay. I'm giving you 15 minutes. 9:35 we discuss. Okay. 15 minutes.
Ma'am,
Start.
Please,
हाँ,
ma'am, zoom
yes.
कर दीजिए. Zoom
हाँ,
कर
yes.
दीजिए, ma'am.
More zoom is needed.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम वो तो हम खुद से भी कर सकते हैं, अगर आप नहीं करोगे तो हम खुद से भी जूम कर सकते हैं.
क्या?
मैं बोल रही हूँ अगर आप जूम नहीं भी करोगे ना तो भी हम खुद से भी जूम कर सकते हैं, स्क्रीन पे ऑप्शन आता है.
Okay. Noted.
Ma'am, please scroll down. Arigato.
मैम फर्स्ट वाला जो है वाई वाई
What?
शोकुरु वाई शो शोरी बा वा तो इट इज अ पर्सन
Buying Uribawa. Buying Uribawa Chikani dash.
तो बाउरिकवा इज अ पर्सन ना
क्या क्या पर्सन है?
इट इज अ पर्सन
Wine Uriba? No, Wine Uriba is not a person. It is wine counter. Wine counter.
Scroll down, ma'am. Arigato. Ma'am, please scroll down. Arigato, ma'am.
मैम स्क्रॉल डाउन थोड़ा सा.
Okay, let us discuss first one. Question fourth first.
Wine.
Just tell me the answers.
Arimas.
Arimas.
Very good. Next.
Arimas.
It is imas, no? क्योंकि इनु है. Dog. Third.
Imas.
Yes. Fourth.
Arimas.
Arimas.
Wrong. Arimasen. क्योंकि नानी
Arimasen.
मो है. नानी मो है. Fifth.
मैम नो है मतलब नानी नानी माँ. अच्छा नो है. नो जब होता है तो वो ऑटोमेटिक पास में चला जाता है. ओके.
No, नानी मो will always take a negative sentence. मैंने एक list of words दिया था कुछ chapters के पहले.
हाँ जी आपने बताया था.
हाँ. Next, fifth.
Imasen.
Yes. Question fifth first.
नी.
Particle नी. Yes. Second में
नी और गा.
No and knee.
no and नी. Correct. Third.
Third will be
Va.
ha,
First
no,
va.
knee.
तो
Va.
Yes.
To
No knee.
and no.
no.
Yes.
Both
Fourth.
no, ma'am.
No. First में va, second में तो, third में no.
No. No. Correct.
Got it.
Va,
And
to, no.
fourth will be knee and ga, right?
मो आएगा ना. दारे दारे मो. इमा सेन है. नेगेटिव है. So नी is correct.
हाँ,
यहाँ पे
दारे
दारे
मो.
मो आएगा.
No.
Because this is
मो
ima
आएगा,
sen. It is
okay.
your negative sentence. Fifth.
Got it, ma'am.
मैम फोर्थ क्या बताया आपने?
नी and mo.
मैम ऊपर तो क्यों आएगा?
हाँ.
तो क्यों आया ऊपर?
भावना explain.
क्योंकि सुप्पा और गिनको के बीच की बात हो रही है. दो चीजों के बीच में आ रहा है. सुप्पा तो गिनको. सुपरमार्केट और बैंक के बीच में.
सुपरमार्केट एंड बैंक के between. आइदा.
आइदा.
Fifth. Fifth.
तो मैम तो आएगा यहाँ पे.
Correct. तो and
नी. गा अरिमस.
तो and ga. Yes. तो and ga. Very good. Sixth.
मैम फर्स्ट वाले में आएगा नानी गा।
हाँ, second.
सेकंड वाले में एक नीवा दारे दारे का और दारे मो।
Very good. Third.
थर्ड वाले में मैम एक सेकंड नानी नानी ओ और
हाँ,
नानी मो।
very good.
और लास्ट वाले में दो को ए और दो को मो।
Very nice. Good, good. 7 किया है?
मैम इस अब वो पिक्चर नजर नहीं आ रहा था इसलिए रह गया।
Okay, so basically this is like a description of Watashi no Uchi, meaning my home. Okay, it is a description of my house or my home. So in the 3 photos, they have given you the details. So you have to select the most appropriate answer. So previous class में, previous chapter में, have you guys solved Dokai part? Have you solved this? Chapter number 9th का.
नो मैम ये नहीं हो पाया मेरा।
Okay. Okay, so your homework will be to solve the Dokai part, and if you have any doubts, you get back to me.
ओके मैम।
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. हाँ तनु बोलो।
मुझे एक चीज बोलनी थी आपसे बस कि आप जितने भी पार्टिकल्स है एक बार सारे पार्टिकल्स बता दोगे, सिर्फ पार्टिकल्स।
वो रिवीजन में हम करेंगे तनु, नॉट नाउ।
अच्छा, रिवीजन में तो फिर मैं अभी जैसे चल रहा हूँ मतलब वैसे ही चलती रहूँ।
वो हम उसमें रिवीजन में करेंगे। मिड में आई कैन नॉट टेक अप एवरीथिंग टुगेदर एज इट इज वी आर रेसिंग अगेंस्ट टाइम। We have only 20
नहीं
hours. We have only 40 hours and we have 25 chapters to complete. Still
नहीं, आई
15
नो
chapters.
दैट बट मैं बोल रही थी
Still 15 chapters. आप go through करो, आपको कोई भी doubts है तो you get back to me.
नहीं, क्योंकि मैं सोच रही थी एक बार अगर सारे पार्टिकल्स एक बार ही पता चल जाते तो ये हो जाता कि एक जगह लिख के सारे रिवाइज हो जाते।
पर
अब अलग अलग
चैप्टर्स आप रिवाइज तो करो पहले। मैं वही तो बोल रही हूँ, आप चैप्टर्स रिवाइज करो। आपको कोई भी डाउट होता है, यू गेट बैक टू मी विद रिगार्ड्स टू पार्टिकल्स। एनी डाउट यू हैव, यू कैन मैसेज मी एनी टाइम यू वांट ग्रुप पोर्टल में। Okay, we are doing the Kaiwa of our 10th chapter. Yes, Kanika.
会話、
Yes,
Sensei,
Kanika. हाँ.
Sensei, like you said, ask me questions and do your practice. What if, like, I'm not able to solve the exercises? Should I feel disheartened? What should I do? Should I go back to the, like, start
You
from
are not able
the
to, I'm
start?
sorry, you are not able to what?
I'm not able to solve the exercises. I'm only struggling to read. I can read and figure out, but the questions, exercises don't make sense to me. So what should I do? Do I start from the scratch?
same.
See,
What do you advise?
see, if you are not
Should I
aiming for if you are not aiming for JLPT, are you aiming for JLPT?
I am not. I wanted to learn Japanese, but yes, I do want to clear it at some stage. But I don't have a
Is your, I'm sorry, your voice is breaking. Is your aim JLPT? Is your end aim JLPT?
my end aim is not JLPT, but I would like to clear it. But that's not my end aim. No.
Okay. But in order to, though it is not your aim, your goal is to sit one day for JLPT, right? So in order to aim, in order to set your goal, you will have to do a little bit of writing practice. Now, at least if you don't have time to solve, at least read the exercises. If you don't have the answers to your exercises, at least read the grammar, read the examples, and then try to solve 1 or 2 questions on your own. Try doing that.
Okay. So basically read and write. I'm trying to read and write. So it's okay. Basically what you're saying is just keep reading, writing, getting your grammar, and it's okay. Like
So see, writing it helps you a lot. So like solving will always help you because it will churn. You'll have to churn it. Ultimately, you are churning your brain. You are searching for vocabularies. You are searching for your scripts. You are searching for the pattern and everything. Ultimately, your mind is going in a lot of ways that actually helps you in remembering the sentence pattern, the grammar patterns, everything. Solving will help you. Is anyone of you here, is anyone is solving the exercises? Like after we complete the class, are you going back and writing?
Yes, I'm revising it, ma'am, sometimes.
You're revising it. So how have you felt like revising?
Mainly,
What
see,
is like?
first I was also
Huh.
not able to understand the sentences, so I was not able to solve the exercise as well. So once I start reading it, Kanika, then I was able to catch some vocabularies. Then I guessed sentences like what it might be. ऐसे हो सकता है या वैसे भी हो सकता है. फिर मुझे समझ में आ गया थोड़ा थोड़ा रीड करते करते. Then I was able to connect. फिर मुझे समझ में भी आ गया. Then मैं solve भी कर पाया हूँ.
ठीक है. So basically, Sensei, thanks a lot, Siddesh. So Sensei, I'm writing the vocabs and I'm actually going back to the grammar as well, but I think probably I need more practice. I need to read, write, not give up. Okay, I take that. Thank you.
Yeah.
Arigato, Sensei.
Hi. Yes, Tanu.
आप पूछ रहे थे, आप अभी पूछ रहे थे कि JPLT के लिए, तो मैं वही बोल रही थी कि मुझे JPLT देना है।
क्या
और
आपकी आवाज बहुत ही आपकी आवाज में बहुत ही डिस्टर्बेंस आ रहा है तनु, क्लियर नहीं आ रही है आपकी आवाज।
मैं बोल रही हूँ कि आप पूछ रहे थे ना JPLT के लिए, तो मैं बोल रही थी मुझे
JLPT
हाँ जी, मुझे देना है। हाँ सॉरी, JLPT मुझे देना है, बट मेरे साथ भी सेम चीज हो रही है, यही प्रॉब्लम आ रही है।
आप लोग see honestly I see there are certain students who are actually understanding the concepts. There are some of you who are not understanding at all. I can make out. So आपका problem क्या हो रहा है is that you are not understanding the vocabulary. You are understanding the grammar patterns. आपको patterns समझ रहे हैं. But I think what you are lagging is a rigorous practice करना. आप ना you solely concentrate on your script and your vocabulary. आप आपके स्क्रिप्ट हिरागाना कताकाना स्क्रिप्ट में भी आपको थोड़ा इश्यूज हो रहा है. आई कैन फिगर इट आउट. you are having some issues with katakana script. हिरागाना आपका हो गया है, बट कताकाना स्क्रिप्ट में आपको थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. So practice more hiragana, katakana, and then practice more your vocabulary. Vocabulary आप जितना करोगे उतना आपको you will find it easy to understand the sentences. Vocabulary is your core of your sentence. If you are not understanding vocabulary, अगर आपके vocabs नहीं हो रहे हैं, then there will be a lot of problem. हाँ बोलो तनु.
सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम मुझे लिसनिंग पार्ट में है, सबसे ज्यादा. एक बार को मैं लिखा हुआ भी पढ़ लेती हूँ, और एक मुझे उसमें प्रॉब्लम है जो सेंटेंस के जो एंड में वर्ड आता है ना, तो उससे मुझे कई बार कंफ्यूजन हो जाती है.
मैं वही बोल रही हूँ ना, आपकी vocabularies are not clear. इसके लिए कंफ्यूजन है. एक बार vocabulary क्लियर हो जाएंगे फिर you will have no problem at all. कोई प्रॉब्लम आपको नहीं आएगा. You have to concentrate on your vocabulary first. पहले vocabulary करो आप. This is not only for her, but each one of you guys go through your vocabulary. Revise your vocabularies in such a way that you are reading it, you are learning it so thoroughly that when you are actually revising your sentences, आपका revision हो रहा है उधर. Okay, so let me start the.
すみません。輸入屋ストアはどこですか？
輸入屋ストアですか？あそこに白いビルがありますね。 あのビルの中です。
そうですか。どうもすみません。
いいえ。
チリソースはありませんか？
はい、右の奥にスパイスコーナーがあります。チリソースは下から2段目です。
わかりました。どうも。
Okay. So that was chapter number 10, everybody. Next chapter is all about your counters. Now, I know this chapter will eat your brain a lot, and it is going to happen. So I will just give you a briefing about what next chapter is all about, okay? So this is your counters. Now, what are counters? Your certain products. Certain products are categorized under certain categories. Okay, that is your counters. Now, in order to pass your JLPT, or if you are sitting for JLPT and you are aiming to make your career in Japanese language, or you want to improve your fluency in this language, these counters are necessary to learn by heart and understand. Okay, there is no shortcut to this counter. There is no shortcut to this counter. You will have to learn each and every counter here. Okay. You will have to go through them. You will have to learn. You will have to by heart them. Now, there are roughly around 14 to 17 counters we have. Roughly for N5, you are expected to know each and every one of them. Okay. Each and every one of them is expected from you to know these counters. Now, I'm going to do in-depth in the next class, that is on Friday. But please make sure that you guys are little fresh for the next class, because it will be too much to take. Okay. Too much to take for the next class. So please make sure that you are present. Make sure that you are coming with an extremely fresh mind. Okay. Okay. So in the last class we did, yeah.
Sorry, go ahead,
Hey,
Sensei.
Friday class hai. Of course class hai Friday को. Yes.
Sensei, what does counters mean? What does it mean?
So counters are basically when you are talking about one or more products. So uske liye counters are made. Okay. So if at all, so like in English, we have like, okay, give me 1 dozen bananas or 1 dozen mango, or give me 10 dozen of mangoes, whatever, XYZ. So that dozen is nothing but counter. Okay. We don't say, right, give me 12 apple. We simply say, give me 1 dozen apple, correct? 12. Bunch of 12 आता है dozen में, correct?
Correct.
So that dozen, which is जो dozen का category है, that is actually counter. Okay. In English, we don't have counters. We have counters like only for dozen. Do we have counters in English? I don't think so. We have. Yeah, we don't have, I suppose. Nahi hai. But Japanese mein we have. So we have counters for all the electricals, your flat objects, people ka counter hai. Then small animal, big animal, month, week, years, then days, then number of stairs, number of floors, uska counter hai. So these are your counters. So these are important. So like if you go in any shop and you just go and tell them that, okay, give me 5 of the 5 shirts. So you are not going to say that, give me 5 shirts. Instead, you are going to say, go mine. 5 mai. So give me 5 of that shirt. So that 5 mai is nothing but 5 flat objects. Okay? Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Got it.
Okay. So in the
I
last
understand,
class we did, sorry. Yeah. So in the last class we did 1 to 5 kanjis. Today we are going to do 6 to 10, more 5 of them. So 1, 2, 3 were the numbers which we did. Now today we are going to look at 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So 4 is written as, yeah. So 4 is written as, you draw a box. Again, your strokes are important. 1, 2, 3. So basically this is written like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is your yawn, that is 4. Or if you see here, this is yawn 4 or 4 days. So yoka, if you see this, so this ka is your counter for days. Okay. Then kai, this is again your counter, that is number of times. So yun kai, that is 4 times. Okay. Then nin, 4 people. And gatsu. So shigatsu, that is fourth month, that is April. Okay, so these are basically your different counters. Sorry. Yeah. So basically these are different counters for 4. So if you see 4 times ke liye, they have used yon kai here. So yon ka 4 ka kanji and kai ka kanji they have used. Okay. So this is how you are supposed to write your kanjis. Clear, everyone? Are we clear, everybody?
Yes.
Yes,
Sensei,
ma'am.
yawn ka kanji?
Yeah, yon. This is 4, no? This is 4 kanji. Number 4.
Yeah.
4.
Yeah, this is yawn.
Yeah. Okay. Then next is 5. 5 is written like this. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear, everybody? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
so this is your 5. Itsuka or Gonin. Gonin is your people. Nin is your counter for people. If you see here, Nin, if you see here, Nin is your counter for people. Itsu is again 5 for days. And Itsutsu is again like 5. Okay, 5. Su is like, okay, that you will understand in the next class. But just understand that Ka and Nin are your counters. Okay. This is 6. So this was 5. Now we see Roku, that is 6. So 6 is very easy. Yes, Tanu. This is number 6. बहुत हार्ड, ये कोई हार्ड नहीं है. If you practice, if you are consistent, you can pass JLPT. Students pass होते हैं JLPT. ऐसा नहीं है. It is not hard. So this is 6 again. Rokunin, Muika again for days, and Mutsu, 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 Mutsu. This is again 6. ये Tsu का counter है. हो जाएगा. Be consistent, सब हो जाएगा. This is your Tsu counter which we are going to do in the next class. Okay. Then again you have 7, that is Nana, that is standalone T. आपका T है. So 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. Then again, nanatsu, nanakai, nanoka, and shichi nin. Again, for people, आपका nin है. You have nin for people here. Then nanoka is for days. Kai is number of times, and su is your counter. Okay. And the last one, that is hachi. I hope everybody is with me. Everybody is understanding.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And the last one is hachi. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Like a mountain. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So this is your 8. Yotsu, Yot, Su. Yo ka 8 days and Hachinin people. Okay. So these are your 6 to ये आपका 6 to 10 का kanjis है. Practice करो. If you feel you have not understood any stroke, get back to me. Okay. In the next class. Okay. But please try and practice.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Please practice. Kanjis is something that if you don't practice, you will not understand. You have to get the right stroke. You have to understand each and every this thing. What do we say? Each and every stroke correctly. Okay. Hi. Okay.
And we have to also memorize all the 4 or 5 meanings one kanji stands for.
I'm coming very fresh-minded on Friday because we have chapter number 11, a little heavy chapter, lot to learn, lot to understand in this chapter, but it's easy. Once and also revise 1 to 10 for 9 Friday, 1 to 10 numbers revise karke aana for Friday. Okay. Hi. Okay, that's it for today then. Thank you very much, everyone. Arigato. I will see you guys in the next class.
Yamato
Arigato.
sensei, sumimasen.
Hi. Oyasumi minasan. Oyasumi Mega-san. Arigato.